Hi, today we're going to be talking about 3 skills to create $100 per day in passive income. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here. And in this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to build a business that will give you the freedom to pay off your debts, have more time for your family, maybe quit your job, then go ahead and subscribe. Now, in this video, we will be talking about 3 critical skills to create $100 per day in passive income through affiliate marketing. These 3 skills are really foundational to building an online business through content marketing. So the first skill is learning how to generate traffic, but not really just generate traffic. You want to learn how to build an audience of people who are interested in a single topic and who trust you. That really is kind of the first key to building a successful affiliate marketing business is having an audience of people who trust you, who listen to your recommendations, who want to hear from you. So how do you master this skill of building an audience? Well, it really comes down to content marketing, which is, it's like this. First of all, you got to select your niche. So what is that niche of people that you're going to serve? And then what are the topics that those people are interested in learning about? You can figure this out through keyword research. Now, keyword research really it's a pretty simple process. A lot of people like to overcomplicate it. Simply, you're going to be looking for the keywords that people are searching for online, and you're going to be looking for the content that they're already responding to online. And we're going to research this content, and then you're going to take that and you're going to use it to make your own version of the content. So for example, you'll take a keyword like how to lose belly fat in 30 days. You'll take a keyword like that, and then you'll research what other people have already said about this topic, either in blog posts or in like articles online, or even in videos on YouTube. You're going to research what other people have already said about this topic. You're going to take that content and you're going to repurpose it. You're going to make your own version of it. You're not going to steal their content. You're going to make your own version. You're going to put it into your own voice. You're going to use your own experiences, your own ideas, your own kind of thought process, and make your own version of it, something that's unique to you. So you're going to take this, you're going to make your own version of the content. You're going to publish that content online. This can be done with a blog. It can be done with social media like Facebook and Instagram. It can also be done with videos like on YouTube or even like podcasts. So there's multiple different ways that you can create content. So you're going to figure out one of these platforms that works really well for you. For example, if you want to focus on YouTube and growing your audience on YouTube, just focus on that one platform and don't change and don't switch to a different platform, right? Really focus on learning how to master YouTube if that's the platform that you choose. If you choose blogging as your platform, then really learn to master YouTube or blogging. Really learn to master blogging. The way you master whichever platform you select is to get started with it, first of all, because most people never even get started. Most people are too scared and too afraid of what people will think of them, of how they're going to be worried that they're not good enough. They're going to be, I've gone through this. I've done this myself. So most people are not even going to get started because of fear and self-doubt and just general skepticism. So don't be like that. Don't be like those people who don't get started. Pick a platform, pick a niche, and get started. Start researching keywords, content ideas that people are looking for, and start creating content for those keywords on whatever platform you choose. So going with the example of YouTube, make videos, and your first videos are probably not going to be very good. Now this is where I talked about skills. Skills, you can develop skills, right? It's not about talent. It's not about talent. It's about skills. And any skill can be learned. Any skill can be developed. You can take whatever skill you do not have right now And you can decide, I'm going to develop this skill. So if you want to develop the skill of videos and building an audience on YouTube, then you can choose to do that. How you choose to do that? Start making videos and start publishing those videos. And then do it again. And then you do it again. And you keep doing this until you get good at it, until you start seeing results, until things start to click for you. And now you're like, oh, okay, I figured this out now. Now I know how to do YouTube, right? So you're going to have to work to get to that point. When you first start, you're not going to be very good, but with persistence, you can get good at it. Same goes with blogging or any other platform that you choose. So pick your platform and master it. Learn to master it. And that's done by getting started and then keep going. So that's the first skill, building an audience through content marketing that you need to learn, okay? The next skill that you want to master is you want to learn how to take those people, that audience, that traffic, and convert it into leads. So I'm talking about email subscribers. You have to build an email list of people that you can follow up with. Because if you're not building leads, you're not really building an audience. Even if you build up subscribers, say on your YouTube channel, but you don't have an email list, then yeah, I mean, yes, some of those people will see your videos again in the future, but when you build an email list, you can then take the people on your email list and send out an email, getting them back to YouTube, which triggers the YouTube algorithm. When you are sending people from somewhere, your email list, to YouTube, YouTube sees that as a positive ranking factor for you. And that's going to help you rank your videos higher, get more suggested views, get more views on YouTube. It's going to help you grow within the algorithm. Plus, the other thing that building leads does for you is it allows you to follow up with those leads in order to recommend products and services and different things to them. So using leads, you can send people back to your own content, like your YouTube videos, or you can send them off to offers where you can earn some money. So that's why it's important to build these leads. How you build the leads is you have a squeeze page or a lead magnet page or some kind of page. They're all the same thing, but it's really a squeeze page. Now, a squeeze page is just a simple page on your website that is designed to collect email addresses in exchange for a valuable gift. So the valuable gift can be something like a free video or a free video training series or a free ebook, something for free that you can give away in exchange for the email address. They give you their email address, they get onto your list, they get the free thing. It's a win-win for both of you. Developing this skill of generating leads really comes down to learning how to create offers that people will find appealing. So like an offer, like what's the free thing you're going to give away? What's the free, training, the free guide, the free ebook, the free video? What are you going to give away that's going to be appealing to people that they'll want to give you their email address? And it's also going to come down to learning how to design squeeze pages in a way that is actually going to convert and get results for you. So there's certain principles of designing squeeze pages, such as copywriting, writing a good headline, writing good bullet points, having a good call to action, having everything appear above the fold. There's all these different things that all go into designing a good squeeze page. So that's the next skill you want to learn and master, converting traffic into leads so you can follow up with those leads. Now, the third skill that you need to master to build a $100 per day online business with affiliate marketing is now you got to take those leads and you got to convert those leads over into customers. Now, that's done through the art of following up with those leads in order to recommend products and services to them. So how do you master this third skill of, following up with your leads in order to get customers? Well, there's a few things involved with this. First of all, you're going to be sending emails to these leads, and these emails is basically going to be really two types of emails that you send. There's going to be value-based emails where you're just educating them, inspiring them, and just building more value and building the relationship further with those people. The other type of email would be promotional emails. We're actually recommending a product or service. Now, these can be your own products or services, or it can be affiliate products or services where you can earn a commission when you make a sale. And so writing these emails and doing the follow-up in a way that is effective, that's part of the skill of doing the effective follow-up in order to convert leads into customers. Now, if you want my opinion, the most important skill for you to master when you're first getting started out of these three is building an audience. If you can build an audience, then selling becomes easy. If you can build an audience, selling becomes easy. If you got people who trust you and who like your content, who consume your content, then selling to those people becomes very easy. It doesn't really take much persuasion and influence and copywriting and these different sales skills to get those people to buy from you. Plus, there's also systems that you can leverage that are done for you. You can get a done for you sales funnel. A done for you sales funnel will have a squeeze page. It'll have an offer. It'll have email follow-ups to add into your sequence. It'll have things done for you so that you don't have to learn all these things when you're first getting started. So when you're getting started, just learn about building an audience and getting traffic and getting that traffic over to the done for you squeeze page that you can get as part of a system that you can leverage. And then once you've learned traffic, then you can learn how to start creating your own squeeze pages, your own email sequence follow-ups, your own offers, your own products even to offer. That's after you've really mastered the game of traffic. So again, out of these three skills, the most important one for you as a beginner is getting traffic, and then you can learn these other two as you go by leveraging a done-for-you system. And if you want a done-for-you system, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on that. You can get my system that I use, and you can leverage that so you can start getting results as soon as possible while you're mastering the art of getting traffic. So hopefully this video has been valuable to you and helpful to you. Go ahead and subscribe, click the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.